National Weather Service with a tsunami warning from the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center. A tsunami warning remains in effect for the entire state of Hawaii at 1 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time. An earthquake occurred with these preliminary parameters. Origin time 7:46 p.m. March 10. Coordinates 38.3 north, 142.4 east. Just off the coast of Honshu, Japan. The magnitude was 8.9 moment. Sea level readings confirmed that a tsunami has been generated, which could cause widespread damage. Urgent action should be taken. Tsunami wave heights cannot be predicted and can vary significantly along the coast due to local effects. The time from one tsunami wave to the next can vary from 5 minutes to an hour, and the threat can continue for several hours if most of the waves arrive. When no major waves are observed for 2 hours after the estimated arrival time or arrival of damaging waves has not occurred for at least 2 hours, then local authorities can assume the threat has passed. Since local conditions can cause wide variation of tsunami wave action, the all-clear determination must be made by local authorities. The estimated time of arrival for the first wave in the state of Hawaii is 3:07 a.m. Bulletins will be issued hourly or sooner if conditions require it. This tsunami warning will remain in effect until further notice. Please listen to local news media for information and instructions from civil defense.